In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Wix website. If you want to temporarily take your Wix site offline without deleting your work. This is a simple process. Unpublishing your website removes the live version from public view. But it does not erase your content, design, media, or plan settings. That means you can always come back later and publish the site again whenever you're ready. Let's start from your Wix account dashboard. First, log into your Wix account and open the main dashboard for the specific site you want to take offline. Make sure you are in the correct site before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one website. Once you are on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and scroll down until you find Settings. Click on it and then choose Website Settings from the sub-menu. This will open the main settings area for your site. At the top of the page, you should see a status message that says the site is currently published. Near that message, there will be an Unpublish button. Click that button to begin taking the site offline. To continue, click Unpublish again in that pop-up box. After that, your website will no longer be live on the internet. If you already have your website open in the Wix editor, here is also a faster way to do this without going back to the main dashboard. In the top horizontal toolbar of the editor, click on Site. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Unpublish Site. Once again, a confirmation window will pop up over the editor. Click Unpublish to finalize the change. This gives you a quick option if you are already editing your site and decide you want to take it offline right away. It's important to know that this action is completely temporary and reversible. Unpublishing your Wix website does not delete your pages, images, design settings, or anything else you've built. It simply removes the live version from public access. If someone tries to visit your website URL after it has been unpublished, they will see a standard 404 error screen instead of your site. So if you need to pause your website, make updates privately, or hide it from visitors for a while, unpublishing is a safe and convenient option. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.